All right, what's going on, everyone? Little late night recording on Mother's Day. Shout out to Mother's Day and all the mothers out there. But let's get right into this video. Tough week, man. Really tough week. I kind of really wasn't performing too well. And one trade really got me, man. I experienced slippage for like the first time, I think. And it set me back. Not too much, but it was definitely a setback. But let's get right into it. So this is my first trade, and like I said, I was kind of taking dumb trades this week, man. This week just wasn't a good week, but we're gonna bounce back regardless. So let's get into it.
Order filled.
Order filled. Put my target up here where these dots are. Put my stop down, and my risk just wasn't that calculated on this trade at all. So as you can see, let me fast forward. We were pushing up pretty good. See, I was calculating my risk here. So that's a 6.25 move and a 6.50 move. So I was off by a tick. So I was trailing my stop a little bit to have good risk in case we reversed. But then once we were in the green and I was waiting for a nice push up towards the target, I was going to put my stop a tick above my entry. And I did do that. And I kept trailing it because I started losing confidence on this trade. And I kept trailing it, and then it finally, reversed on me. So it reversed right here, got me out. We still made profit, you know. I mean, it's nothing crazy, but it was just not a good trade. Not a good trade. So here's the other trade. See, this trade was horrible again. Horrible signal bar. Like, this is basically a doji to me. Like, I shouldn't have even taken it, and I got in I got in at a bad price too. I got in at the 94.50 when I wanted to get in at the 94.25. But horrible signal bar, and I think I cut this trade short. I'm trying to fast forward, so yeah, I cut this trade short because I was looking at the right side of my thinkorswim chart here. And I think once this candle finished, it closed and the EMA is already crossed. So I cut the trade short and cut my losses short. See, zooming in, getting ready to close. And I was about to close it.
Order filled.
So another bad trade. Horrible signal bar. Don't take doji candles. All right. So here's my other trade. This is the slippage trade, man. This is what really got me. Let me play it for you. So I was calculating risk. Look at that. You see that shit? I don't know if you can see because the color is distorted a little bit, but there was so much volume that it didn't fill me where my stop was. So the average price that it filled me at was at 56.25. You can't see the purple arrow on the candle because of the color distortion, but it filled my stop at 56.25 when it was really supposed to be like 56.27 something. That hurt. And when I found that out, like, I emailed them. I was like, "What happened?" And this was my first time really experiencing slippage, and it kind of killed me, like killed my confidence, bro. Fucked me up. Slippage sucks, bro. We got to be careful with that. We have no control over slippage, but that's what happened. I'll replay that for you guys just so you can get a watch of what the fuck happened. Big volume coming in out of nowhere. You're going to see it drop. And right now, I think.
Stop filled.
Look at that. Like, that's nuts. Like, that's kind of crazy. So this was my second trade of that day. We were in profit. I thought we were going to make most of it back, but dude, price action just wasn't on our team. It just wasn't, dude. Wasn't on our side. Let me fast forward a bit. I thought we were hitting it, dude, and then look at that. Just instant reverse up. Instant reverse up. So we lost big time that day. So that definitely set me back for sure.
Stop filled.
Stop filled. And so here's me live recording. So I'm going to play that for you guys. So my prediction is we're going to come up. We bounced off this little support, broke out of the trend line, and we should push up to test this high. So hopefully we can get that. Also, EMAs did cross. We're literally almost there. Just need to hit that. Oh my god, we're like a
target filled.
There we go. Very good trade.
Order filled.
Right here. I want to retest that high a day. but I honestly think I might just like be safe.
Stop filled.
Yeah, I'm just gonna be safe on that one because like even if it did go all the way up, man, I wanted to be safe as much as possible. Get 2 contracts out of the way. So here's Friday. I wasn't at my main setup, so I have to do a voiceover for Friday. So basically, trend line up, break out of the trend line, looking for a second entry long, and we did get it. We did get the second entry long, but we got it on an inside bar. So I'll pause it real quick. This bar closed, good signal bar, but it didn't break above, or it didn't break below this previous candle's low to make it a second high. So we have a new low here, and then this green candle, our signal bar, stayed inside this red candle's bar. That's called an inside bar. And inside bars are 50-50. They're a hit or miss. And I took it knowing it was an inside bar. And then obviously, what do you think fucking happened? We lost. Right here.
Stop filled.
We lost right there. And then, man, like I said, man, this week was just not it. Not my week. That slippage trade really got to me. And so I get in on the same trade, bro. Look at this. Thinking this price is going to retest that high of this trend channel. No way, dude. We were in chop. When you notice chop, don't take any trades. And so I think what happened. I think I put it at break even. Yeah. Put it a tick above entry point. And man, yeah, dude, it got us out. Yeah, this week just wasn't our week, man. I thought we were going to hit this. Oh, actually, you know what? I think we did hit it. I don't remember, bro. I don't remember if we hit it or not. No, we didn't hit it.
Stop filled.
Yeah. So that was this week, man. Very tough week. Not too happy. Let me switch over to the proof. Yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, so here's the proof for the week. Not good, man. Not a good week, but it's the beginning of the month. You know, we're going to face these types of weeks, but we're going to try our best to avoid that and perform better. We just need to be a performer in the market and perform well, make good decisions, not take stupid trades. And yeah, so this was all my trades. Negative for the week. Sucks. But it's all right. It's part of the game. We got to stay strong, and let's make it happen tomorrow. Let's make it all green, hopefully. Let's just end the week off green this coming week. So I'll see y'all in the next video.